Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can activate text-to-speech on Discord PC. Okay guys, let's get into it. Here I have opened my Discord application, and first of all, I'm going to open up one of my direct messages on Discord. This one for example, and I'm going to use the text to speech for this message. So we can select the message and then we can click on the more option, and here we'll see speak a message option. Just tap on that.
Marl said hello.
And then the text will speak for you guys. Wait, let me try it one more time. Click on speak message.
Marl said hello.
Alright, that's so easy. On the mobile phone, you can tap and hold on the message, and then you will see this option, and just click on this option to activate or to use this text to speech for your message. Thank you guys, and that's all the way to use text to speech on Discord. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video guys.